Hey, what's going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on my channel. Now, in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the BENFEI multifunctional laptop stand with the docking station built in. You can get this for about 45 bucks on Amazon at the time of recording this video. We're just going to go ahead and open the box, take a look at it. I'll put my laptop on it. We'll plug it in and see what it can do. I believe it's supposed to do Ethernet. You got PD watt in, so you can charge it up to 100 watts. You get two USB-A 10 gigabyte ports, and then you get one USB-C 10 gigabyte port, and the HDMI goes about up to 4K 60. And I think all the ports are here on the pillar, or like the stand piece where it goes up. So we'll see how this is. I did review one of these already. If you guys want to check that one out, there will be a link up in the cards now, but we're just going to go ahead and take a look at this thing. I also do want to thank BENFEI for sponsoring this video. Once again, they have been not a very long sponsor, but they've been very generous. A very generous sponsor helping me out, getting videos and stuff out by sending me products. So here's the actual device itself. There's not really anything in here. I do think I see some documentation. It's very nicely wrapped. It doesn't need to be special. It is just a $45 laptop stand, and that is actually on sale. So the price might go up to $50, which is the normal price. And that is just the regular price, not the Prime member price. But here's the stand. Looks pretty good. Feels great. Fully aluminum. I believe it's aluminum. It's definitely a form of metal. You got two screws down here. Probably to take that off if required to clean it. Also comes with some documentation, which I never keep because I just don't really see a point in keeping these. Usually if you grab these, and you can read them, and those will give you the specifications, the material they use. You can see aluminum alloy, color is gray plus black, input, output. So here's the actual mount itself. We go ahead and lift this up. There's multiple areas. It is a little hard to move around, but you don't want it to be like flimsy because then your laptop won't stay up. But as you can see right here, we've got two Type-C. I believe the orange is the PD watt in to charge it. I don't know why I keep calling it PD watt, but that's where you charge it. This is your regular Type-C port that you can use. You can kind of see the text. Oh, sorry. You can kind of see the text. Type-C, two USB, regular USB, sorry. We go over on this side. We've got our HDMI port and our Ethernet port with lights that'll tell you what the Ethernet's doing, if it's reading or sending data. So there's that. Or if it's, I guess, receiving or sending data. But here's the actual mount. It's pretty beefy. I mean, it's a nice laptop mount. It's got some nice rubber padding here to make it so your laptop doesn't slide up and down. This won't slide around the table. Like if I push it really hard, it will, but just a little bit of like an accidental push, it won't. So there is that. Not really a whole much to talk about. It is just a laptop stand. It's good that there's not a whole lot to talk about. The nice thing is everything's built in here. So all your wires can go up here and you can route them on your desk and stuff, depending on how you're using this. This would be really good for office use, home use, gaming use. If you wanted to plug your gaming laptop into it and it does support video through Type-C, you could do that. I'm going to put my laptop on it. This is a 2020 MacBook Air. Not a very powerful model, but it is the M1 and it is a really good model. All right. Might look a little funny. I am using the wide lens on my Pixel 9 Pro XL. Need a camera. If you guys want to donate, there will be a link in the description. Don't like asking, but I figured I'd mention it because a new camera would be nice. But so this is what the laptop stand looks like. And then what we can do is we can go ahead and unravel the Type-C cable. Grab Type-C cable, take off the little cover, and then plug her in. And she's plugged in. You will have to allow the source. You can just click allow, and it should allow it every time you plug it in. It's not going to ask you every single time, which is nice. Yeah, that's really about it. I can try to plug the Ethernet in to see if that works. And the lights are lighting up, so we should have Ethernet. Turned off the Wi-Fi. Let's go ahead and go to Google Chrome. We're at fast.com, and that's our internet speed. That is with just Ethernet. So that's Ethernet speeds, which is awesome. That's my internet. I pay for about 300 megabits per second every month. That's what I usually get. Sometimes I get 400 depending on the day. That I think it's just because it's fiber, so it's going to be a little bit more performant. I'm not going to show more info because that'll show my IP address, and I don't want to mess with that. But that is the internet speed, and as you can see, the Ethernet is working, no problems. So if you guys want to buy this, there will be a link in the description below. I want to thank BENFEI for sponsoring this video. Sorry it wasn't longer, but it's just a laptop stand. There's not really a whole lot to talk about for it. And if you guys want to help me out, there's a donation link in the description, mainly to get maybe a new laptop and a new camera. Camera will be first. I don't really need either, honestly. Both work fine. But something a little more powerful. This only has like 8 gigs of RAM. A MacBook Pro would honestly be great for editing videos, especially on the go, because that's where I mostly am nowadays. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like. If you guys aren't enjoy this video, drop a dislike. Subscribe to the channel if you guys have not done so already. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out. Perfect. That's better.